At Cowboys AC, we don't do tariffs, we do big savings. Don't waste your time or money with a company that's not locally owned. Get Cowboys Honest Certified techs out within an hour to fix your system right the first time, guaranteed, or we'll credit the cost of the repair towards your replacement. Summer arrived early, and the only thing between you and the blistering heat are the good guys at Cowboys AC. Just call 210-934-2077 or visit cowboysac.com today. Cowboys Air Conditioning and Heating.
Doing business the Cowboy way.